You can't believe how much money people are making online with Perplexity AI, and it's free. This AI tool is changing the game, and if you're not using it, you're leaving potential income on the table. People are achieving significant online income using Perplexity AI, and it's not just for tech-savvy folks. Anyone can do it, and that's what's so exciting. Making money online is hard, don't get me wrong. It takes time, effort, and patience. But the biggest hurdle is finding the right tools and strategies. Most people fail because they don't know where to start or how to use the tools they have. They get overwhelmed by the complexity of it all and give up. But what if you had a secret weapon that could simplify the process and give you an edge over the competition? That's where Perplexity AI comes in. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Perplexity AI to research and make money online. You'll be able to find profitable niches, create high-quality content, and drive traffic to your website or social media channels. You'll have the skills and knowledge to start building a successful online business, and it won't cost you a dime. First, let's talk about how to get started with Perplexity AI. It's free, so you don't have to worry about breaking the bank. Just head over to the website, sign up for an account, and you're ready to go. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of different tools and features, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. The first thing you want to do is explore the platform and get familiar with the interface. While Perplexity AI is user-friendly, keep in mind that some learning and effort are still required to achieve success. Don't be afraid to click around and see what everything does, but also be prepared to invest some time in learning how to use the tools effectively. Now, let's dive into the meat of it. Perplexity AI has a powerful research tool that can help you find profitable niches and topics. For example, you can use it to analyze search volume, trends, and competitor analysis. You can type in a keyword or phrase, and it'll give you a detailed report on what people are searching for, what's trending, and what topics are currently in demand. This is incredibly valuable information, folks, because it saves you time and effort. You don't have to guess what people want. You can see it right in front of you. For instance, let's say you're interested in the health and wellness space. You can type in fitness or weight loss, and Perplexity AI will give you a list of related topics and keywords, such as yoga for beginners or plant-based diet plans. You can then use this information to create content that resonates with your audience. Next up, we have content creation. Perplexity AI has a built-in writer that can help you generate high-quality content fast. You can input your topic and keywords, and it'll give you a well-written article or social media post. This is a huge time saver, and it's perfect for those who struggle with writing or just don't have the time. You can use this feature to create blog posts, social media posts, or even entire ebooks. For example, you can input a topic like mindfulness for stress relief and get a comprehensive article that includes an introduction, tips, and resources. Now we're cooking with gas. Let's talk about traffic and promotion. Perplexity AI has a bunch of tools that can help you drive traffic to your website or social media channels. You can use the research tool to find trending topics and keywords, and then create content around those topics. You can also use the built-in optimizer to make sure your content is SEO friendly and reaches a wider audience. For instance, you can use the optimizer to analyze your content's readability, keyword density, and meta tags. This is where the magic happens, folks, because you can start seeing real results and making money online. Here's the thing, Perplexity AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It can help you simplify the process of making money online and give you an edge over the competition. You don't have to be a tech expert or a marketing guru to use it. Anyone can do it, and that's what's so exciting. However, keep in mind that success with Perplexity AI still requires effort and dedication. You need to be willing to learn, experiment, and adapt to the ever-changing online landscape. It's time to take your online business to the next level. You've got the power of Perplexity AI at your fingertips, and it's free. Don't let this opportunity slip away. With Perplexity AI, you can start building a successful online business and achieving significant online income. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate way to make money online. Get ready for the next video, where we'll dive into the world of affiliate marketing and show you how to make even more money online. To stay ahead of the game, subscribe now and hit that notification bell. We'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and strategies on how to use Perplexity AI to achieve online success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.